Hello, my name is Ashley Reynolds and I have a Bachelor's of Science degree in Food Science and Human Nutrition from the University of Maine, where I am also currently working on my master's degree. My research topic is intuitive eating score as a predictor of body weight satisfaction in college students. For some background information, body weight dissatisfaction can be defined as negative judgments, evaluations, attitudes, or sentiments about one's own body weight, shape, or appearance. 1 in 3 college students worry about their weight and physical appearance. There is a strong link between body weight dissatisfaction and poor eating habits. In college students, body weight dissatisfaction has been found to be a significant risk factor for disordered eating behaviors such as dieting, like caloric restriction, binge eating, constrained eating, and bulimia nervosa. Intuitive eating can be defined as a theoretical framework that emphasizes internal recognition of homeostatic signals and physiological hunger and satiety cues, rather than environmental and emotional cues. The objective of this research was to investigate the effect intuitive eating had on body weight satisfaction in college students. A cross-sectional convenience sample of 951 college students at the University of Maine completed an online survey assessing health behaviors. Intuitive eating was measured using the 23-item intuitive eating scale, which utilizes a Likert scale, and scores range from 1 to 5, with higher scores indicating higher intuitive eating. Body weight satisfaction was measured using survey questions considering desired weight change and feelings regarding weight. For the analysis, an analysis of variance compared intuitive eating scores between students experiencing satisfaction, dissatisfaction, or neutral feelings towards their weight, and a multiple linear regression assessed the influence of intuitive eating scores on desired weight change. Moving on to the results, the demographics showed that this sample of 951 college students were an average age of 20.9 years old with a standard deviation of 2.3, and they were primarily white and primarily female. The two major findings were first that participants with higher intuitive eating scores demonstrated higher body weight satisfaction. So participants who felt happy about their weight had an intuitive eating score of 3.5, participants who felt neutral about their weight had an intuitive eating score of 3.47, and participants who felt upset about their weight had an intuitive eating score of 3.04, and these results were significant. The second finding was that intuitive eating score significantly predicted body weight satisfaction, with a beta weight of negative 0.273, which had a small shared variance size, and this was also found to be significant. Now, to conclude this, the significance found was that intuitive eating score was a significant predictor of desired weight change in college students. These findings indicate a need for intuitive eating programming catered to college students to improve overall body weight satisfaction, decrease the prevalence of disordered eating, and to improve diet quality, which can help to reduce diet-related chronic diseases. Some limitations of the study were that there was a lack of diversity because participants were primarily white and female, so it's difficult to generalize results to a more general population. It was also conducted during the COVID-19 pandemic, which may have affected survey responses due to the impact COVID-19 had on some of these variables. Finally, this study did not account for food security, and it may be difficult to practice intuitive eating when facing food insecurity. Finally, my references are at the bottom, and the funding used for this study was from the University of Maine's Agricultural Experimental Station. Thank you.